is more than a ribbon cutting. It's a celebration of vision, leadership, partnership, driving innovation, creating opportunity, and building the future of defense right here in Roswell, Georgia.
This is not the end of a journey, but the mere beginning of a new chapter. One in which PBS will continue to grow, innovate, and contribute to the security and resilience of the United States and its allies.
Tonight is proof that this vision is not just an aspiration, it's a reality.
We move fast, not just because our engines go 600 miles an hour, but because we have a dynamic and innovative team. This factory has a very clear purpose: to build, test, and support small turbojet engines to the very highest standards.